you wear makeup, or is this just the first time you tried?
No, this is the first time I ever tried blue lipstick or any makeup.
Very daring, I must say. Very
Yes. When you're a vlogger, kailangan walang hiya. Pag nahiya ka, hindi ka pwedeng maging vlogger.
Wait, you're Filipino? But you
But I'm
speak
not.
Tagalog.
Yes. Do you speak Tagalog?
No, I don't. I only know kumusta ka, mabuti.
How did you know I was speaking Tagalog then?
It sounds like Tagalog. It sounds like
Okay.
right.
Wait, you're not Filipino?
No, I'm not.
What
I'm
are-
not.
what are you?
Singaporean. I'm a Singaporean.
Mabuhay! What's up sa inyo dyan? Ako si Dwayne at nandito ako ngayon sa Singapore. Tingnan niyo to. Wow, ang ganda no? Yes mga sangkay, nandito tayo ngayon sa SG, Singapore. Look at that view. Amazing. So bakit nandito ako sa Singapore? Invited kasi ako sa isang event para sa company na Sony. The camera I'm using to film on now is the Sony Action Cam. The FDR X3000. Ayan. Tara na, let's check out this Sony event.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you how wonderful you are. And I really wanna take you home to mama. Wanna spend forever in the day with you. I really wanna walk you down the aisle. Put a ring on you. What you say I do. Those are
How was it, Abby?
It was fun. How was
Super
it?
good. Oo nga, tingnan mo buhok ko. Super.
Pag dito ka sa Singapore, lakad or MTR, yun lang.
Totoo.
Pero ngayon, saya.
Kasama ko ngayon ang kaibigan ko galing sa Yugatech, si Miguel. What's up, Miguel? What's up? Like I said before, all these vloggers are here for this vlogging event for Sony. Sa Singapore pa, sa Shad.
angels remind you how wonderful you are. And I really wanna take you home to mama. Wanna spend forever
Big banana.
day with you.
Chinese, no.
I really wanna walk you down the aisle.
Artista pala ako. Nasa wall lang.
Matagal na parts, matagal na. Ayan. Ayan o. Yun
Saan?
o.
Ayan. Guwapo na. This is Carlo
What's up? Ople.
Ople. Carlo
What's
Ople.
up?
Ayan. Subscribe kayo dun. He talks
Yes,
about
please.
sneakers.
Sapatos.
Ayan. Ang galing
Parang hindi ako sneakers.
Mic này thì các bạn có thể thấy quay rất là tốt và có cái màn hình xuyên luôn, rất là tốt thể thao mạo hiểm rồi á.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, meet Ella Gatchalian from the Philippines.
Yes, nice to meet you.
Anong content ng channel mo?
I'm a student vlogger, so I vlog at school sometimes, and then I also do beauty videos
Where's your school? Saan?
in UST.
Wow, UST. Ang galing, no? Hoy, knock knock.
Who's there?
UST.
UST who?
UST, call me on myself. Pwede,
Oh
no?
my God! Pwede na.
Anna V. What's up, Anna?
Hi guys, how are you doing? Hey, hi to your Filipino fans.
Ayan.
And from around the world, I'm sure you have a lot.
Kasi nagtatagalog ako sa vlogs.
Yeah.
Saka Bisaya. Kabalang ka mag-Bisaya?
No.
No?
Can you teach me some?
Ambot sa imong lubot.
Ambot sa imong lobwet.
Mao ang pinaka-importante.
Mao nga ang pinaka-importante.
Closer than the shadow, closer than the moon. Will you let me love you? Love you.
Ate, bukod sa babaeng sumasayaw, ano pang meron dito? Oh, you're not Filipino?
No.
That was priceless. What is she doing here? What's...
She's dancing.
using Sony camera will detect her eyes and her face, like no matter which one.
So she's showing how it focuses.
Yeah, autofocus.
What do they do here apart from her dancing?
Behind there's beauty and there's a gadget room. Yeah, there's actually go in if you want.
Oh, okay, cool. What's the best vlogging camera?
In my opinion, it'll be up to you actually.
It's up to me,
Depending on
okay.
What kind of style you're going for?
Let's try this one.
This one,
Yeah.
It's highly expandable because you can like customize it with other different lenses.
Ah, cool.
For this, it's more like a compact solution.
All right, okay.
So would you like to try this?
Yeah, I'll give this one a shot. Look at this camera. Isn't that a boss? I should get this for Shanta. They're lending me this camera, okay? So hiram lang to. I can use it for the day. What's this camera called?
6,400.
6,400? Wow, this camera is amazing. So dito sa Sony vlogging event, wow, daming tao. Tingnan nyo. Rei, is that you?
Hi! Hello!
Remember
nice
me?
To see you. And yes,
Yes.
we talked together in PUP.
PUP, tama. Ayan, ang galing.
Hello!
Yes, Rei Germar, beauty expert, makeup
Bakit
expert.
hindi?
Dalubhasa.
Nakakahiya. When did you arrive? Just yesterday?
Yesterday, yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
okay,
on the
yeah.
Singapore Airlines flight.
Oh, so did we come from the same flight?
Siguro.
Baka nga. Baka nga.
Pero nasa first class ka na.
Oh, hindi! This is the shade
Feeling ko
Harley
masisira yung upuan na to.
from Colorette Cosmetics. So Dwayne is gonna be our model for the day.
Yes, because it matches my shirt.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, talaga.
Bagay sa shirt ko eh.
Or why is it suitable for videos?
What did you do?
They wanted to give me lipstick that matched my shirt.
Dude, you were hanging out too often with the beauty fashion bloggers. Now to spend the rest of your time in Singapore with that look.
I guess so. Wala akong choice eh. Kaya mo yan bro. 2019 na eh. Kaya okay lang.
I'm not going to go inside now.
Uy, taga saan ka sa Pilipinas?
You? Philippines.
Oh, Pilipinas ako. Ikaw?
Saya dari Malaysia.
Ah, Malaysia.
You understand what I'm saying?
I understood you said you're from Malaysia.
Oh yes, correct man.
What's your YouTube channel name, man?
My YouTube channel is Peiyong, P-H-E-I-Y-O-N-G, Peiyong.
Payom.
Yes.
What's your channel about?
It's like, you know, some stupid crazy things. Yeah. But it's not as crazy as putting the lips. Yeah. I made a new friend. It's a hot girl, hot chick man.
So they use blue to match my shirt.
So
yeah.
I thought this is your normal daily appearance. So what's your YouTube name?
My YouTube name is Dwayne Woolley.
Dwayne Woolley.
Yes, so
So
we do pranks. I'm an Australian.
Australian.
Yeah, but I speak Filipino.
Can you speak
Yeah.
Filipino? So like a bit?
Pwede, anong gusto mong sabihin ko sa audience mo? Ano?
What are you saying?
Sinabi ko, I said, what do you want me to say to them?
Oh, 你可以讲华语吗？
Oh,
你会讲华语吗？
what does that mean?
Do you know how to speak Mandarin?
Oh, no, all I can say is ni hao ma.
哎，我爱你。
Wo ai ni.
Yeah.
What else?
What else?
Ikaw.
一口
Like
one.
mouthful, right?
Wait, why you know all this?
does
Hope
that
you
mean?
can go to Malaysia.
I hope so,
Yeah,
man. That'd
okay.
be fun. This is Vince Vandorpy. Subscribe, Alright, everyone, close up on the mouth. Ready? 3, 2. Ate Ella,
Hi, what shade
feeling
is that?
ko, bagay din sa'yo ang blue.
I really
Kaya mo yan. Approved. Rei Germar approved.
Si
Yeah.
Rainbow na.
Better Tagalog.
Then most Filipinos? Wow,
Yung
talaga.
Manila.
Pa-English kasi yung iba eh.
Saan ba yung mga pa-English na yun?
Yeah, well, we do more pranks and challenges. Yeah, than travel, diba?
That's something I can't do.
Pranks? Yeah, mahirap.
I feel bad eh. I feel bad.
Talaga?
Sometimes I plan to do on my boyfriend.
Ah.
Pero parang feeling ko papatayin niya ako after.
Si Rei malapit na mag 1 million. 1 million
Baka
na.
mag-jinx. Guys, subscribe kayo kay Dwayne. Road to 500k na yun.
Yes, maraming salamat po. Subscribe din kayo kay Rei Germar. Yes.
Feel inisip nila musician ka kasi mukha kang rocker sa
What language do you speak?
English, and then our mother tongue is Mandarin.
Ah, okay,
Yeah,
cool.
depending on your race. So if you're Malay, you probably speak Malay. If you're
Right.
Indian, you probably speak Hindi or Tamil.
Hindi,
So it
okay.
depends. Yeah.
Ah, true. Awesome. What's something useful in Mandarin you can teach me?
Ni hao.
Ni hao?
That's hello.
Miao ma. What
Yeah,
else?
gui. That's the one expensive. Like you don't want it to be expensive when you buy something. 不要贵，不要贵，
不要
不要贵，贵。
贵.
That's like
Okay,
expensive, you know. But
Okay, kui. I'll remember that. Not a record.
if you want to know how to go to the toilet,
Oh.
厕所，
What?
厕所。
Cheshwa.
Yeah, that's
What
like
is-
toilet.
Cheshwa means toilet.
Yeah, 厕所
Ah,
is
okay,
toilet.
cool.
That's very
Awesome.
important when you need to like pee.
So if I go to China, I can say hello, where's the toilet,
Yeah.
and don't hurt me off.
Yeah,
cool.
yeah, exactly.
Perfect.
That's very good.
You're beautiful, shine like a star.